Hello, this is Hiba Nigmuddin. I am a biology teacher at Applied Technology High School, Dubai Boys Campus. I would love to share with you the video I created for my students addressing the role of the red blood cells in oxygen transport. In the video you will see I depended entirely on my iPad features and applications. In creating the main content, I used Keynote for the main body of knowledge, as well as animated annotations and relevant transitions from slide to slide. Then I screen recorded the presentation as a slideshow. After that, I inserted the screen recording into an iMovie, a new project, to trim and delete the start and end that showed the screen recording drop-down panel, which I didn't want to show in the video. Then I saved it into my gallery, where I edited and cropped the video by removing this dark black outline that usually shows in an iMovie project to give me this full screen effect. Now I leave you with the video. Thank you very much.
Relate the role of red blood cells in oxygen transport. In our everyday life, we see buses. Buses transport people all over the city using roads. They have seats on which people can sit comfortably during their transport. Did you know that we too have buses inside our bodies? Well, yes we do. Let's go find out more. Well, the buses in our body are the red blood cells. Hello, I'm Hiba Nigmuddin, and today we're going to relate the role of red blood cells in oxygen transport and how they act like the buses in our city, but they are the buses in our blood. Let's find out more. Yes, in our bodies, the buses are the red blood cells that move around the body in blood vessels instead of roads, transporting oxygen molecule as their passengers, which are comfortably transported bound to hemoglobin. Red blood cells contain several hundred hemoglobin molecules which transport oxygen. As you see here, this is a hemoglobin molecule to which oxygen molecules are bound for them to be transported all over the body. And this diagram shows us how oxygen binds to the heme component of hemoglobin. When oxygen binds to hemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin is formed. Oxyhemoglobin is the oxygen-loaded form of hemoglobin. Oxygen is then transported bound to hemoglobin in red blood cells through blood vessels to deliver oxygen to the cells where it's needed for cellular respiration and energy production. Now it's time to test for your understanding. Oxygen is transported bound to molecules inside the red blood cells. What is the name of this molecule? Feel free to pause the video until you figure the answer out. Great job! Yes, it sure is hemoglobin. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Until we meet again, stay safe and take care.